Are you tired of not driving a car worth more than the GDP of a small country? Do you want to wake up next to attractive people in the Hollywood Hills or from a short 2-week masterclass for the low price of 72 payments of $4,999? Well, you're in the wrong place because I'm going to show you the realistic way to become a millionaire. While it's certainly not glamorous, it's a much more reliable means to achieve that coveted second comma in your bank account. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I am the Portfolio Panda, and my job is to try and create transparency in the financial world. Compound interest is a concept that plays a critical role in finance and investing. It's a way of earning interest on not only the initial principal, but also on the interest that has already been earned. This creates a compounding effect that can result in significant growth of an investment portfolio over time. Think of it like a snowball going down a hill. As it picks up more snow, the snowball grows and has more surface area in which to pick up more snow. To better understand compound interest, let's consider an example. Suppose you invest $1,000 in a savings account that earns an annual interest rate of 5%. After 1 year, you would earn $50 in interest, bringing your total balance to $1,050. If you left that money in the account for another year, you would earn interest on the full $1,050, which would result in an additional $52.50 in interest. This would bring your total balance to $1,102.50. Over time, the interest earned on the accumulated balance becomes increasingly significant, and the balance grows at an exponential rate. One of the key benefits of compound interest is the way it can help individuals grow their wealth over long periods of time. This is because compound interest allows the interest earned in one period to be reinvested in the account, leading to even more interest earned in subsequent periods. As a result, small investments made early on in life can result in significant growth in wealth over time. But how does this make me a millionaire, you're probably thinking? The stock market has returned an average of 10% per year over the past 50 years. That's no guarantee for the future, but it certainly makes my maths easier. Starting with an initial $1,000 and depositing $300 a month, the balance comes to $1,003,790 after 35 years. That's $126,000 regular deposits. Total interest earned $876,790. The longer it goes, the more you earn. Imagine that you are lending your future self the money. If you have a car repayment of $300 a month, I would guess most of you would never miss a payment. You are paying for the future of the loan company, so why not treat yourself the same? Benjamin Franklin famously once quoted that money makes money, and the money that money makes more money. Geez, try and say that 5 times quickly. It honestly surprises me how often I meet people that do not know about compound interest or just think that thinking about money is too hard, but it's all very easy once you get started. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay at explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.